Hello students, in last video we learned all components of networks. Today we learn another important topic, types of network. So a network may vary in size, complexity and geographical spread. So these are following. So generally types of network are divided into three categories. Types of network based on geographical spread. It means area wise how we can define networks. Types of networks by component roles. So whatever component we are using in network, this category can be defined in networks. And another, what communication channel we are using in network. So these are types of based on communication channel. So today we learned our first types of network based on geographical spread. So there are three types of network based on geographical spread. First is LAN, MAN and WAN. So LAN, WAN and MAN. So our first is LAN. LAN stands for local area network. So it is a small computer network that are confined to a localized area like office, building, company, our school, our colleges. So in a particular building or particular area is limited area, all computers are connected. Such type of network is known as local area network or LAN. So the hardware as well as software resources are shared through LAN. So if in a building our computer is connected, so this is called LAN. So by the help of LAN we can share our hardware resources as well as software resources. For instance, LAN user can share data, information, programs, printer, hard disk, modem. So everything is installed on a server and all computers are connected to server in a limited area or in particular office. Then they can share data, information, programs, printers, hard disk and modem. So this will reduce the cost of the organization. On the most LAN, cables are used to connect the NIC in each computer. So generally all computers in a LAN are connected through server with the help of cable, and every computer has NIC card to connect the server and client. So this is our LAN diagram. This is our main server. All computers are connected through a cable and every computer can share resources, can share information, data by the help of LAN. Our second type of network is MAN. So a MAN is a metropolitan area network. It is a network spread over a city, over a college campus or a small region. So if our campus is large, like in a particular big geographical area or over a city, then such type of network is known as metropolitan area network, which is also called as MAN. So MAN is the larger than a LAN and typically spread over several kilometers. So generally in a city particular, all computers are connected through a cable or any system. This network is called as MAN. So objective of MAN is to share hardware and software resources, thereby the decreasing infrastructure cost. So generally MAN is used to decrease infrastructure cost of an organization. MAN can be built by connecting several LANs. So if we connect multiple LAN and these LAN are connected with all each other, such type of network can also called MAN. So the most common example of MAN is a cable TV network. So in our city, if we are using cable TV network, where all TV is connected through a cable and they are spreading same channel, same broadcast system, such kind of system is known as MAN. Like this is a big city, every computer in a car, in a building, in an office, in a particular city, all are connected through a MAN. In last, our third is WAN. So WAN means wide area network. is spread over a country or many country. So if all computers are connected through a system, and these computers can be placed on anywhere in the world, such type of network is known as wide area network, which is also called as WAN. So WAN is typically networks of many LAN, WAN and WANs. Network is set up using wired or wireless connection. So in a network, in a WAN, all computers are connected, can be wired or wireless depending on the availability and reliability. The most common example of WAN is internet. So our internet is a best example of WAN, where computer can be anywhere, but we can connect from anywhere and get the information. Computers connected to a wide area network are often called as connected through public networks such as telephone system. Sometimes they can be connected through lease line or satellite. So in wide area network, computer can be connected through telephone or lease line or a satellite. So this is our example of WAN, where these computers can be in any place of the world and they are connected through a WAN. So our internet is the best example of WAN. So today we learned different types of network and what they are category. So we learned today, first category is types of network based on geographical spread. So there are generally three types: LAN, WAN and MAN. So LAN is local area network in a particular building. MAN is a metropolitan area network. It means a big city or a big college campus is called MAN. And third and last is WAN, wide area network, which is our internet, where computer can be placed at anywhere and we can make communication by our computer at anywhere. So there are three types of LAN, WAN and MAN.